Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing something that we don't normally do, which is a vlog. And of course, we got to throw some poles in there. That's just, we got to do it.
Spend the money.
Cleansing water.
It's
holy water. So I'm looking at getting this blackjack. I've been looking at these in some Pittsburghs and Daytonas, but this one's 135 bucks, and I get the 10% off, 18 and a half inches. That's not bad. Let me know if you guys have had any bad experience with blackjack. I actually have this one, and it's not bad. It's just too small. Look, it's an El Camino. This thing's in really good shape. I've officially found the largest welder I've ever seen. Zaylee, stand next to it. $3,600. This thing is nuts. We are now observing chickens. And I audibly said out loud, there's a 10-piece chicken nugget, and there was 2 kids standing right next to me. Oh shoot, I didn't think that through.
That's littering.
No, I don't think it's happening.
Where's it at? I'll try to get it. Is it?
It's behind that piece, not this piece.
That blue one.
And here, we have some loving boyfriends.
Fried chicken.
We decided to go with Denny's. I got a Coke. What'd you get to drink? I think I'm going to get 3 chocolate chip pancakes. Actually, I might get 4. Of course, I always get chocolate chips. I think I'm going to get 4 chocolate chip pancakes. I've never gotten non-chocolate chip pancakes here. 4. Yeah, I'll probably just get 3 since I have this. Look at that. I just made all of you guys want a Coke right now.
These are paper straws.
Activism is, we went from plastic straws to paper straws wrapped in plastic. Paper straws wrapped in paper. We're helping the world. Start it up! Hey, can you start it up?
I can start it up.
No, you gotta press the clutch. Oh, cool car. How did you afford this?
This is my car. It's a rental.
What do you do for a living?
How do you start the car?
Press the clutch all the way to
Where is the clutch?
It's the all the way left one. This is your... How did you get here?
I did not find the clutch.
This ain't your car. His face.
He said I broke it.
Hey, it does that. Start it again.
What?
Well, how did you afford such a piece of junk?
I won the lottery.
Yes.
Find the clutch.
I
actually cannot find the clutch.
This time, give it a little bit more gas.
Where's the clutch?
You already started it one. All right, let's see if she... Give her some gas.
Oh.
Carson, you suck. Give her some gas. Not that much. And that is how you successfully start a 5-speed